Everyone, is Luandile here, the leader and the instructor of Manikwe School. Okay, and if you're watching this for the first time, essentially what I'm doing is I'm going through this textbook over here. I am solving exercises in different ways. However, I don't want people to think of my solutions as best solutions one can possibly find out there, right? Okay, my solutions aren't effective, nor are they efficient. I am trying to show people how different pieces come together. Period. Okay, I don't want people comparing my solution with theirs, right? Again, right here, you guys to check out how Python concepts can be used or rather applied. Okay, enough talking now. Let's jump on to the problem on hand. This is it right here. We're doing exercise 7. So what we gotta do is to write a program that asks the user for weight in kilograms and converts it to pounds. Okay, there are 2.2 pounds in a kilogram. Okay, again, if you ask me, I wouldn't say there's something hard about this problem. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, I've already opened this new file, this Python file here. I haven't yet saved it. I will take care of that in a moment. So here's the deal. I'll create two variables, the one for holding the weight in kilograms and the second one for holding the converted weights. Okay, so I'll simply go weight in kilograms. Oh, by the way, I'll have 3 solutions on this problem. Of course, there's a best solution out of the 3. Okay, so make sure that you check all of them out. Okay, so I'll simply go enter weight, yes. I'll then go weight in pounds. I'll go eval. I'll go input, enter. Oops. I shouldn't be prompting a user here. What I'm supposed to do is to convert kilograms into pounds. Okay, this is simple mathematics here, you guys. It has nothing to do with programming. So I'm hoping so far so good. People aren't lost at all. And again, I'm sorry for any inconvenience. I'm outdoors. I'm actually in the front yard at home. So you might be hearing hoots, just like the one you just heard, okay? As car pass by, they tend to hoot sometimes, okay? Anyways, let's continue. Now I'll simply go there. I'll go there. Weight in kilograms. Yes, there are weights in kilograms. Okay. What? I'll go pounds. There are pounds in weights. Oh damn, I made a stupid mistake. Weights in kilograms. Then I'll go kilograms. I want to put that S inside brackets. Right there, I should go pounds. Okay, let's hit the save button. Okay, let me see Where am I saving my files? Right here. Oh, again, as you can see, I also do Java, and I'm way too far with Java. Okay, in case you're doing both programming languages, you can feel free to check out my Java solutions. Let's see. Oh, right here, I wanna go 8 underscore. Now let's hit the run button and see what we get. Run. So there are 2.2 pounds in 1 kilogram. Okay. Now let's try something like a random number. 45. Oops. You see, this is actually taking us to the reason why you should check out my next solution on this exercise here, you guys. Okay, check out this answer here. This is probably not what we want, so I'll take care of it on the next solution. In the meantime, I don't see anything else to do, so that's why I'll check you guys on the next solution. Cheers, I am gone.